this video will teach you how to convert your cash into Cardano NFTs in less than 5 minutes. So stay tuned. NFT projects on Cardano are growing, but they are still 30 times smaller than NFT projects on Ethereum. On the other hand, Cardano's NFTs have way cheaper transaction fees. I'm not gonna get into what NFTs are because I made an entire video about it. In order to buy your first NFT on Cardano, you will need a Cardano wallet. In our case, Nami. So step number 1 is install Nami wallet. So just go to namiwallet.io, link in the description, and add it to Chrome or to Brave, whatever your browser is. Then go to new wallet, I agree, and continue. Write these words down in the exact order without any spelling mistakes. You will need this seed phase if you forget your password to restore your wallet. I've stored it. Next. Now you have to enter the words that are missing because you wrote it down, right? Next. Now add your name and your password and click create. And your wallet is created. Now that you have a Cardano wallet, you also need Cardano coins. So let's go and buy some ADA. Go to Binance.com, buy crypto, credit debit card, choose USD and convert it to ADA. For $100 you will get 122 ADA. Continue, add your credit or debit card and confirm. And it's done. Next step is transfer your ADA from Binance to Nami. Now go to your wallet, search for your ADA and click on withdraw. Now go back to your Nami wallet because we need the address to send the ADA. Receive and copy the address from here. Go back to ADA, withdraw, enter the address, Cardano network, and enter the amount that you want to send. And withdraw. Continue, get verification code, and submit. Complete. And this is how you check if you received your ADA on Nami. Go back to your Nami wallet and you can see the amount of ADA that you have in your wallet. The next step is to add collateral on Nami. And this is how you do it. Now go to your Nami wallet in the right corner and click on collateral. Now enter your password and confirm. Next step is to connect your wallet on the marketplace. Go to JPEG store, link in the description, and connect your wallet. Of course, you will choose Nami, access, and it's done. Now that you are all set, let's go in the marketplace and buy your first NFT. Go back to JPEG store and let's say you search for Cardano Kids. You can see the floor price is 40 ADA. Filter it from low to high and buy now. You have to sign, enter your Nami password and confirm. Great, you bought your first NFT. Now that you bought your first NFT with 40 ADA, let's sell it with 90. Go back to JPEG store, go on sell NFT and enter the price. In our case, 90 ADA. Now click on send listing. Sign, enter your password and confirm. Great! Now you listed your NFT for sale. After your NFT has been sold, you will receive your ADA in your Nami wallet. Of course, there are other marketplaces too where you can buy and sell Cardano NFTs, like CNFT.io or Galaxy of Art. An even better option to buy your NFTs earlier and cheaper than anyone on the market is to buy your NFTs on the initial drop. An NFT drop refers to the date and time when the NFT collection becomes available for the first time. If you want to watch for upcoming NFT drops to be the first to buy them, you can check out the NFT calendar when CNFT.com, Twitter or Discord. The top Cardano NFT projects until now are SpacePads, Clay Nation, Pavia, Artifact Moon, Dead Pixels, Cardano Kids and way more. If you want to know how to distinguish a good NFT project from a bad one, watch this video. Do you have any questions? Let me know in the comments, I would be happy to answer. Don't forget that I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before you start investing. Subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video. Bye!